former local radio personality comes clean about her role in an insurance fraud scheme.
Today, the woman known to listeners as Tanya Cruise agreed to plead guilty in federal court to trying to scam an insurance company out of $40,000.
And prosecutors say she conspired with 3 men, including former North Providence Town Councilor John Zambarano, who was recently ordered behind bars for corruption.
Target 12 investigator Tim White joins us now with the latest developments.
In some respects, Lori Sergiacomi, better known as radio personality Tanya Cruise, had really bad timing. Investigators stumbled upon her alleged insurance fraud scheme while working a corruption case in North Providence. Prosecutors say Lori Sergiacomi, a former radio DJ for Light Rock 105, known as Tanya Cruise, saw dollar signs in the floodwaters that wrecked Rhode Island in 2010. In court documents signed this week, Sergiacomi has pledged to plead guilty to 1 count of conspiracy and 4 counts of mail fraud. She was charged last November.
No, she can't say anything.
No, I can't say anything.
Federal investigators say 3 men, including disgraced North Providence Town Councilman John Zambarano, damaged her house so she could file a bogus insurance claim for $40,000. Zambarano pleaded guilty in the insurance scheme and a separate extortion case last week. He was sentenced to 71 months in prison. The other defendants in the alleged scheme, Robert Ricci, he's scheduled to plead guilty on June 1st, and Vincent DiPaolo, he's pleaded not guilty and is awaiting trial. The alleged insurance fraud was discovered during a corruption investigation into Zambarano and his fellow councilmen, former council president Joseph Birchfield and former councilman Raymond Douglas. Birchfield was sentenced to 64 months, Douglas 78 months in prison. Sergiacomi's attorney Bill Devereaux tells me his client is collateral damage in a larger case. He says she is very remorseful and has already suffered significant penalties. Her change of plea hearing has not yet been scheduled. Live with the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, Eyewitness News.